Firstly, the ones who are at the top, do not dislike any subjects. They are very comfortable with everything, and that's who you have to become. Hi, I am Ashwin Goyal. I am a student of the 2-year classroom program at FIITJEE, Mumbai Center. In JEE Advanced, I have scored a rank of I have secured AIR 56 in KVPY SA and AIR 137 in KVPY SX. The biggest challenge for me in the preparation for JEE Advanced was inorganic chemistry. I used to be very scared of it. But then I spoke to my teachers, I spoke to my parents, and there were two things I learned. Firstly, the ones who are at top do not dislike any subjects. They are very comfortable with everything, and that's who you have to become. Secondly, the simple solution is study. So I sat down, I studied, and I solved that problem. I spent days, weeks, months, whatever it would take, but I spent the time, and I made sure that my inorganic was as strong as required. Another challenge for me was my in-paper focus. During my paper, my mind used to wander a lot, and often I didn't end up solving the questions that I needed to. I made a lot of silly mistakes, and my teachers even told me I should call them blunders at this point. At first, I really didn't know what I could do. But moving forward, I spoke to my teachers, I spoke to the FIITJEE staff, I spoke to everyone, I spoke to my parents. And what I realized was the only solution was more and more papers. So with the help from FIITJEE, I solved more than 150 papers, and I believe that has really helped me in clearing my silly mistakes. According to me, one of the most important elements to crack JEE is to follow your own advice. When you start JEE preparation, you get a lot of advice from many people. And not only your teachers and mentors, but even relatives and friends. What you have to figure out is whose advice you want to follow and how you want to personalize it. You need to make sure that you talk to the right people and make the advice your own. You need to experiment with it and figure out what works for you. And you have to have faith in yourself. Another element, according to me, is to find good breaks. You need to figure out what you want to do in your breaks. Everyone knows that we need to take breaks, but you need to make sure that your break is also spent in such a way that you're productive for your next study session. For me, it was basketball, but for different people, it could be music, it could be painting, it could be singing. But you have to make sure that you balance it out and do not divulge too much time to your breaks. Your goals need to be your first priority. Another important factor is discipline, because JEE is not an exam, it's a lifestyle. And to achieve this lifestyle happily, you need that discipline. You need to wake up on time. You need to make sure that you give your exams on the same time as you will be giving the real JEE exam. You need to control your diet. You need to control your exercise. You need to make sure that your body is in perfect shape for the exam. FIITJEE helped me in more ways than I can explain. We had class tests which told me at what level I stood in the class. We had fortnightly tests called the FCATs, which helped me understand my level in the city. We even had all India level tests called AITS. Through these tests, I got an idea of where I was at the national level. When the COVID pandemic struck, there was a lot of confusion. But FIITJEE was very prompt in starting our online classes. None of our syllabus was missed, and we managed to complete everything in time. Through the online mode, tests were also conducted. We had access to MyPad through the FIITJEE tab, and using that tab, we continued to give all our tests. A focus group was created which allowed us to give more tests than the other students. My weaknesses were converted to my strengths via the information I gained by the test analysis. As a matter of care, a few doctors and nutritionists were invited by FIITJEE to help us understand what to eat and how much to eat. This, at the end, helped us maximize our throughput. I believe in smart work and hard work both. Smart work because you cannot, for example in inorganic chemistry, you cannot just continue reading everything again and again and again. You have to figure out ways to memorize it. You have to figure out ways to visualize it. You have to find ways which work for you. And then everyone knows hard work is important. I mean, even if you do find smart ways, it's not like it's going to get very easy. You're still going to have to put in days, hours, and a lot of time to make sure you understand and learn everything. In the current times, there are a lot of distractions in the online world, through social media, through games. It's very addictive, I agree. But I believe that if you try to come out of it for a little while, just come out of it and wait for a little while. Just study, focus for 1 month, let's say. after that you won't be able to enter it again, because you'll see the worth and you'll see the improvement that you've made by just coming out of it for a little while. That's what has worked for me. If something drives you, it's an addiction. If you drive something, it's a goal. I'm really grateful to my parents, teachers, friends, and the systems at FitG.